closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Okay, so we're here and oh my god! There's Trav. Small
Here
jump.
comes Travis.
Coming around the corner. Coming in hot. Wow!
Oh, take the thing out. Come around. Oh. Go on.
I mean, it's the second corner.
Tries to make the jump. Oh! Head first on the ground. Here we go.
I'm gonna get my redemption.
Let's see what he can do. Oh. Okay. Houston. Oh. Pick up. Oh. Okay. Oh. Let's get loose. Oh.
Get loose.
Okay, I'm bored of this guy. Let's switch to Lincoln because like he's okay. There's Lincoln over there.
Anyway,
race. Here we go for the race. Is that Lincoln coming in first? Oh, with the hip, comes back up. That's Travis. That's Travis. Lincoln comes still behind. Oh, so he does the water on him. Guys coming back. Oh, he's dead.
oh.
Cut the track. Cut it again. Going the wrong way. Oh,
It's in the lead. Oh.
here's Travis with the RC car. Let's go, guys.
There's Lincoln.
Oh, flipping curve. Oh.
There's Trav. Oh, he's still good. He's back up. Oh, and there's Lincoln over there.
Oh, collision.
Got it. There we go.
So subscribe, like.
Okay, so this is like number 2 of being here. Well, we've been here 3 times today. I didn't film in the morning. So Tyler's here. And we've been absolutely ripping. Like, absolutely ripping. Like, ripping it. And I got the street tires on this RC car right now. And I'm letting my other one cool down because it was like acting up at me. I don't really know why. But I'm going to show you guys how sick this looks going into corners. It just roasts and so sick. There's so much dust with it. It's insane. Okay, so something kind of happened. There's some oil on the ground, just for your guys' awareness. So I came through here, right? And I started drifting because I lost a bit of control. So you can kind of see, I went here. My back tire clipped this. Look at oh my god, the oil just shot out instantly.
Did it?
Oh yeah, all down. Oh, what's this piece? Oh, a piece. It's
probably off the shop.
It's rubber. Huh, that's weird. Oh, this is what happened though. Looking kind of mint to me. I mean, it looks pretty fine. Still drivable.
It looks mint.
Yeah, it's still drivable. Broken. I completely broke the arm. Blew the shock out. So, time to fix it quickly. Okay, so we're driving to Mount St. Helens right now. We're gonna go to a dirt bike track, but that's it for the RC video. We were there for a long time. I was just too busy shredding, so I didn't get too many clips. Sorry, it's really bumpy. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.